This is Juan Carlos Valladares, and this is Vocabulary in Reading Studies 3.0 Introduction video. A team member along with me is Christian Hidalgo. So the project definition. One of the major problems that ESOL as well as regular students face is the lack of a reliable source to acquire and expand their vocabulary repertoire. If a student is reading a piece of text and does not know what the definition is, they find themselves stopping their reading and fetching for a dictionary, making study sessions time-consuming. There's also no easy way to validate the difficulty of the text, which allows professors to select the correct and most adequate material for the targeted class. With that in mind, this is the main feature of the web application. The sample text that has been captured by the text analyzer with color-coded words is in display here. So it is clickable. Every word is clickable, and you can get a definition, and you can even get statistics on the passage of reading that you've entered into the web application, and therefore understand better whether it's appropriate for certain student levels, and understand whether this reading material should be given to those students. Now, this semester we've added onto that, and that's what we're going to focus in these videos. So the main things that were added, the main features that were iterated in this version 3.0 are user registration, vocabulary testing, language translator, and administrative tools. So here are some of the user stories that were implemented this semester. Now we want to get into a sample use case of what was done this semester. Example, finish test. The name of the use case is finish test. The actor is the user. The precondition, user must be currently in the process of taking a test and has attempted more than 10 questions. The description is question is currently loaded, display, test in progress. User hits the finish button. System verifies that the user has done more than 10 questions. If the user hasn't done more than 10 questions, display warning and test proceeds. If user has done more than 10 questions, the test will stop, and a table displaying the performance is populated. Here's how it would look, or how it looks. Here is a sequence diagram. Now on to a system design. Since we are building upon last semester's project, the system has not changed from previous semester. They went with model view controller version of how the system would look, and as we can see it here, we have the server, we have the database that we have the front end application through the web, through iPhone, or through Android application. Here's the system deployment through Amazon Web Servers, that hosts the application logic that is deployed, hosts the database, and then is able to get the requests from the front end, either from the iPhone app, the Android app, or the web browser in a PC or even a phone. Now onto the testing. Here's a test suite that we used. Carmen and Jasmine were used to perform the unit testing for the front end. Here are the test case IDs of the testing, and we'll go through a sample test case. As you can see, test case ID, test components should create 001. Description, summary of test, the test component should be created. The precondition is the server must be running. The expected result is that it passes. The actual result is that it passes. The status of the test is pass, as you can see in the image. In summary, VIRS, Vocabulary and Reading Study, is a web application which facilitates learning of a new language through analysis of text and gathering of data, which is then displayed to the user. Data given to the user includes category of word as far as popularity and definition of the word in the text with respect to the information in the database. It also provides the user with a complete statistical text analysis report and a readability score. The application now, thanks to this iteration of the VIRS, allows translation, user registration, testing, and new administrative tools for the database management. There is our contact information. Thank you.